So today I'm going to show you how to take a PDF document and create a booklet in PDF format or print as a booklet to your printer. So to do this, first you open Adobe Acrobat Pro. The link is in the description to download a free trial. You open your document. So I have a 12-page document here. And what I want to do is print it as a booklet format. So click on File menu, Print. In here, be default set on size, which is a full page. Click the booklet option and leave it as default. That's print it all. I want both sides, and the binding needs to be on the left, because usually when you look at a book, the front cover is on the right hand side here, and this page here is actually the last page of the document, which is on the back. So if I go back to size, you can go right to the end and you can see that page there. So the next page after the first page, which should be on the back of the first page, is the early years document part. So if I go into booklet again, if I go to page 2 of 6, you can see the early years is there. So that will actually print on the back of the front page if you print it in duplex format on your printer. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to save it to a PDF. So if you select Adobe PDF as your printer in here, if you don't have Adobe Acrobat, you could just print to a PDF printer driver the same way. So I'm going to click print. So that's now created here. So if I zoom out a little bit, so you can see it's created it in the booklet format that I want. So now I can just simply print that out when ready. Go on File, Print again. Go back to size, and I'm going to print it to my printer here, which supports Duplex. So I print on both sides of the paper. I want to leave it a flip on long edge, and that should do the trick. So I'm going to print that out. So it's that simple. So it's there waiting to be printed out. Give it a try.